The sensor switch is designed to operate on two different voltage levels, 120 volts and 277 volts. These types of switches are often used in commercial or industrial settings where both voltages may be present. The two ground leads are necessary for safety. They serve two different purposes. Firstly, the 120 ground. This ground lead is connected to the neutral conductor of a 120 volt circuit. It provides a path for current to return to the electrical panel in the event of a fault, protecting the circuit from damage. Secondly, the 277 ground. This ground lead is connected to the neutral conductor of the 277 volt circuit. It serves the same purpose as the 120 volt ground lead, but for the higher voltage circuit. When installing a dual voltage sensor switch, it is important to connect the appropriate ground lead to the correct neutral conductor. The switch should be labeled to indicate which ground lead is for which voltage. While dual voltage sensor switches are technically possible, they are not as common as single voltage switches for the following reasons. 1. Increased complexity. The additional ground lead and internal circuitry make these switches more complex to design and install. 2. Cost. Dual voltage switches tend to be more expensive than single voltage switches. In most residential and commercial buildings, there is typically only one voltage used for lighting circuits. As a result, single voltage switches are sufficient.